With over 500 million products on Amazon, there are nothing but choices. There are many categories to choose from, but not all categories are created equal. Some are more popular while others are just easier to sell and therefore increase competition. Hi, I'm Sanya, and in this video I will go over the top 5 products to sell on Amazon as a beginner. But before we get into it, remember to subscribe to my channel for more information on selling on Amazon and get financial freedom. Also, check out my free ebook on how to start selling on Amazon in 5 simple steps that can be found in the description down below. With that said, guys, let's dive into today's video. When you're just starting FBA business, there are certain criteria that help with product research to minimize risk. As you gain experience, these parameters can be stretched according to your liking. But if you are a beginner, your goal should be to create a private label product that won't have a lot of roadblocks. Fortunately, choosing what to sell on Amazon and how to sell it isn't as hard as you might think. In fact, most of our research can be done for free on the site itself. To ensure you choose a low-risk, high-return product to sell on Amazon, I have created this video. So keep watching till the end to learn about the top-selling items and what you should sell and how to conduct research to ensure whatever you are selling is a safe bet on the e-commerce giant Amazon. In this video, I will go over these criteria as well as the top 5 products to sell on Amazon that are best suited for beginners. So first, let's quickly go over what we want to look for in a product. First thing is no electrical or mechanical products. Stay away, guys, from anything that will complicate your Amazon business. These products require a lot of quality checks and therefore it is not recommended for a new seller. So stay away. Go for light-weighted, simple products and stay away from products that are like heavy or bulky because shipping is a large part of the cost. So you have to stay away from these and stay under like 3 pounds or even less. Do not sell anything that requires any special permits or licenses. In some categories on Amazon, it requires sellers to go through an ungated process, and going for products like these will complicate the process, especially when you are just starting out. So my advice for you as a beginner is stay away from that products. Also stay away from supplements or food stuff. As a beginner, it is not advisable to get involved in these types of products as you may get into trouble in the long run. Okay, your goal as a beginner is to find simple products to start your Amazon FBA business. And here are the top 5 products to sell on Amazon to help you achieve your goal faster and more profit. So I'm going to give you a broad idea about the category in which many useful products can come in. So the first product I am going to talk about is beard oil and other maintenance products. It's no secret that men are investing in products to take care of themselves. And guys, beard products are one of the top sellers. You can modify and bundle this product with a whole new variety of products in the same beard oil range. You can tap into a large demographic, whether it's men or gifts for them, and you can do a lot. And there are many related items you can expand into if you want to broaden your scope and increase profit. I have seen many YouTube channels selling these oil beards and gels. One ad I saw that the girls like men with beards. So keep growing your beard with our beard oil if you want to attract women. So there's a lot of demand. You can just need to develop a new product that will attract customers. So you get an idea what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, the second product is shapewear. It is a trending product. People are looking for shapewears all the time, especially women. So there are you know why they are looking for that? Because they reflect the bodies that they wanted to make. So women will be very primary audience for you. So keep in mind about your like women in your marketing strategies. Also keep in mind that shapewear can be uncomfortable or potentially harmful to wear because it's so tight. So spend time researching reputable suppliers before shipping these profitable pieces. It is a very cheap product to source from China, but you need to work on the quality as much as possible. Also make your product a luxury piece. I have seen many sellers selling these products and making hundreds of thousands of dollars from this one. But you can expand into different sizes and shapes, but don't compromise the quality, guys, because that is the key. And I want to remind you that Amazon is not about selling crappy stuff. If you want to make more profit, you have to get the product which is high in demand and also which got a 5-star review. So focus on getting a 5-star review by like increasing your quality and making it a more luxury and comfortable for your customers. Now let's move to our third product, and that is a bamboo toothbrush. Yes, you heard me right. In fact, this is one of my favorite products and it is so much in demand nowadays. As the world is going into organic stuff, therefore this product is highly profitable on Amazon. While we are talking about trending products that are also environmentally friendly, think about selling bamboo toothbrushes which have a really friendly footprint. As a bonus for you, they are small, easy and cheap to ship and can bring you many reorders because people change toothbrushes regularly. So I saw this product in my friend's house when she was brushing her teeth. I asked her about it and she told me that it is the most healthy and eco-friendly product that she came across. She ordered in reserve like 10 in advance, as she told me that on Amazon it gets out of stock very fast. When I saw that, I researched on Amazon and I found out that yes, these are the profitable products and a seller can make a good profit from it. So you can sell like these in bundle or in different colors. So it can be a really huge profitable product if you know how to sell it the right way. Guys, this is how I find many useful and profitable products. I keep looking at everyday products, whether I went to my friend's house or in a restaurant or wherever I am. I keep my eyes open. And whenever I see any usual or potential product, I take note of it. And as soon as I came home, I come home, I research it and, and believe me, guys, this is the best method to find the profitable product because my most 50K or even 100K per month products are from this method and I love this. My students also use the same method and they are earning hundreds and thousands of dollars per month from these everyday products which other people didn't notice. So you have to take note of all these products that came across you and you need to research and you have to make sure that that's a worthy product. Real quick, guys, if you're enjoying this video, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also share with your friends and family who needs to see this. Also, if you want to know about the 50 hottest products to sell on Amazon this year, then watch my video here. I will also give the link in the description down below. Okay, now guys, let's move to our product number 4, which are travel backpacks. Traveling is easier and cheaper than ever before, but with the right luggage, you can save a dime on airline tickets. One workaround for people is not checking luggage, which has contributed to the rise of travel backpacks. A good one is light, stylish, functional and affordable. All features you should be using in your search for high selling items. Although competition can be high and you likely won't see many reorders, but you can easily expand by cross-selling related items. The key to sell here is to recreate your product by reading all the negative reviews from the customers. You can always sell your product in a bundle and also modify your product according to your customers' demand. So there's a lot of potential if, again, you know how to sell your product. One of my students is in this category, and when he decided to sell in this category, I told him to research on this and find a gap in this market. Otherwise, you will be lost in the big sea of Amazon and your product won't be seen by any seller. He spent the whole month, guys, yes, the whole month, in figuring out that one thing that is missing from the products on Amazon. And after that, he launched his product. And now, believe me, he's like, it's 3 months and his product is on the first page without even spending on PPC. So this is the power of modifying and recreating your product. So do your research properly and see the loophole in the market. You have to figure out that. Okay guys, now let's move to our last product, and that is menstrual cups. Another thing that women are interested in that could get you lots of word of mouth business. They are valued for their environmentally friendly, chemical-free, low-maintenance, natural product, and something that is not available with pads and tampons. Although they are small and inexpensive to ship, one downside may be that women are not needing to order too many of them, so combat that with a higher volume of sales. And this is easily achievable once you know what to sell and customize it according to women needs. So you need to research on women needs. Okay guys, so this was the more like just to give you a general idea of exactly why these categories in particular are more likely to give you a better product. Make sure you pay attention to the criteria laid out at the beginning of the video, and make sure you avoid end products that are dominated by big brands. We don't want to get into that. A number of products of this list can be tough for reorders, but you can help boost your sales by getting as many reviews on your site as possible. Spreading the word can help you get sales from new buyers, but you don't have to limit yourself to low reorder consumers. Build your social media presence to boost up your sales and awareness of your brands. I want to tell you to use simplicity. Choose products that are simple, affordable, and easy to use. This is why people spend hundreds of thousands of dollars daily to obtain them. Most people think that finding the next best seller requires a huge investment or hours upon hours of product research. Don't get me wrong, product and keyword research are important. However, you also have to think outside the box if you want to become successful on Amazon. This is especially the case now that things on marketplace like Amazon and search engines like Google have become more competitive. So do your research, guys, and find a product that can be a next big product, right? Do your research properly. In the end, I want to say hopefully you will be closer to finding your first product, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I will see you in my next video, and here will be more helpful for you.